Okay, now I'm here with Rudy, the Senior Director of Strategy in CommScope. Hi, Rudy.
Hi, Richard.
My first question for you is, could you first introduce the FastSelfClean technology? Specifically, how does this integrated active cleaning mechanism work?
Right. So FastSelfClean technology is a novel way to make fiber connectors. It's actually an architecture that makes use of V-grooves, which allow very, very fine and precise alignment of the fiber cores, so that when they mate, you have the maximal optical performance. What we do in addition, we use index matching gel that actually cleans the tips of the fibers before they're inserted in an adapter. And during the mating as well, the gel will perform a second cleaning action. So that means those connectors are really dust-proof.
Okay, speaking of optical technology, my next question is, what makes this solution unique and compared to alternative optical connectors on the market today?
Well, what is unique about FastSelfClean is that we achieve extremely low loss. So we have typical loss of 0.1 dB, which is really fantastic for connector technology like this. It's coming close to the quality of a splice, but you can demate it. Secondly, it is an architecture where we can stack, so we can build different connector counts, different connectors with different fiber counts. Our first connector will be an FSC 144 that will have extreme high density by building 9 layers of 16 fibers in a single connector that is really compact.
Okay.
And third is the self-cleaning capability, so you can get rid of the time that is often used and lost in installations when you do routine inspection and cleaning and troubleshooting of most connectors today that require that.
Okay, I know this is your first time to be here at Computex 2026. So, how do you feel?
Great. It's been we've been extremely well received and had a lot of attention this morning and good traction at the show.
Okay, and we hope you have a good time here.
We
Thank
will.
you for your sharing.
Thank you.
Thank you.